Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, we're doing some... Please don't. What do you want? My fucking rock? Here, take my rock. Take my rock. Fucking slurp it up. Yeah, take my rock. There you go. Ah, there you go. Welcome, welcome. This is why I don't do YouTube. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, we're doing something pretty fun at Outpost. Basically, we're gonna land a heli, because when you land a heli, people are just gonna enter your heli. And we're basically gonna be breaking legs. That's all we're gonna do. We're just gonna fly them up and break through legs. It's funny shit, actually. My keyboard has changed layout, so I'm gonna tab out and crash real quick. 1 second. Alright, so step number 1 is we need to get some materials, right? We need to get some scrap. Alright, now we have enough scrap. Keep this for bandages. We're gonna recycle it. And we're just gonna land our heli right here. And people are just gonna enter it. And we're just gonna break their legs. We're gonna fly them on top of this tower right here. The famous tower, everybody knows this. You fly them on that tower and you basically break their legs. And you can get some pretty funny reactions out of this. Yeah, all we gotta do now is just land our heli right here. And we can even use some bait. Yo, guys. Let's make sure we put our audio. I'm giving my base away for free. Jump into the heli to get right to my base. And there we go.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah, no worries, man. You get a free base. Still, where man?
Can I have?
Yes, you can have it in a second.
I want free base. Hey, is it you in Outpost? Where
Yes.
are you, man? I'm here in Outpost. Pick
Yes,
me up,
I'm
man.
gonna give you base. I'm
not.
gonna give you base.
Me.
Wasted the time, by the way, I have nothing. I have a
nothing.
rock, that's it.
I can't record shit because this is so silly.
You can't get a feeling, do you want to just like give us the money?
Alright, come here. I'm gonna give you my base instead.
I'm coming.
I feel like you
What is
deserve it more.
You give me base?
Yeah, because you actually have a mic. Anybody with a mic that wants a free base? Me and my clan are leading.
Me.
You want a free base? Yeah, jump
Yeah.
on. Here you go.
Free base.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yes.
Say how much you want the free base.
Free base.
How old are you, nigga? You were telling me
Free base.
Give me a reason why you want the base. Give me a good reason.
Any reason?
You say you're really happy.
Because I don't have money.
You say you're
Yeah,
really happy.
Really happy. Really nice to have base.
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
You're really happy to get a base?
Yes. Super happy. Super fun. What are you doing? No. Du har Corners.
Hello.
Anybody want a free base?
Hello, nigga. Bro, what
Fuck
did you
you.
do to the little kid? What did you do to the little kid?
Fuck you.
What did you do to the little
Why?
kid?
Fuck you.
I'm giving you a free base, man.
What did you do to the little kid?
Give him a free base.
You want free ways? Don't say. Yeah, I will do.
Yeah, this is so fucking funny, man. Oh. No, but we just have to tell people we're giving them a free base. That's it. This is so funny. Like, why are no more people doing this? Hey, I'm giving away a free base. You want free base?
Me. It's me. It was me. I died, bro. You drive me over, bro.
Oh,
Please, man.
hi, can you jump out? Okay, I'm gonna bring Hi out real quick.
Please.
Give me a second, I'm just gonna get him out of the heli. Little did Hi know, this is basically what I'm gonna do to the other person as well. Oh my god.
Bro, drive me into the fence, bro. Drive me into the fence. Bro, I'm under you, bro. I'm here.
Okay, where you at? Come over here. Come outside, come over here.
Yeah, bro, I see you. I'm out about it. Please, bro, I got traded so many times. I tried to build base, nobody helped me, you know, bro.
Yeah. You want No! Don't fucking do that, you little shit! Aw, you failed. You failed.
Why you try to kill me, bro?
No, he tried to fucking kill us.
Okay, come on, let's go base. If you drop me on the top, I'm reporting you. If you drop me on the top, I fucking report you, man. Yeah, we're gonna report it because your mom is understand, bro.
Ah, sorry, misclick.
Nah.
It's a misclick.
Your mom is.
It's a misclick, man. Alright, so we had to let it calm down for a little bit because everybody was just saying that I was killing people at the pole. So right now, we're gonna form up some more scrap and we're gonna kill some more people with the thing. with the legendary pole. Right here. Everybody knows it. Every single time you enter somebody's heli, that's where you go. Alright, we got some helis in the sky. Oh, we're not doing heli bombing now, are we? We're just giving our base away to people. Okay, hopefully the people that I killed before aren't here anymore. You can drop them off up there as well. There's another spot. Wait, no, that's an unmodded server. You can't do it like on this spot right now.
You're
my man, I'm giving my base away. Do you want it?
You trash.
I want your base.
Where?
Yeah, I want your base, bro.
Location.
I want it. Shock on your base.
Come down here. I'm starting my heli. I'm gonna... The first person to enter the front of my heli downstairs right here gets my base. Alright, Sulu. You get the base for free.
Oh, you fucking dog. Oh. What are you doing?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, bro.
I'm giving a base away for free. First person to jump on my heli gets the base. Do you want to make my outro?
Yeah, what?
Who wants to make my outro to my YouTube video? Anybody?
Yeah.
You have to have a good mic. Come over here. Stand right here against the wall. Yeah, both of you, go for it.
What? Hi guys.
Here, guys, please subscribe to this very nice man. Look, he has a nice mustache, and follow his channel. And I love you, man.
No.
Thanks everybody for watching. Yeah, make sure to subscribe. Thank you everyone for watching. I really love you guys. Have a nice day.